Jamaica hot bad. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi. My name is Shawna, and today there's an empty table behind me because we're going to build a YouTube space for me while I'm home so that I can film while I'm home in Jamaica. I'm probably going to have to do this again in Cuba when I go back to school, but for now we're just making one here. So on my last video that I posted, which was the play 21 questions with me, first of all, thank you guys so much for like so many views that I've gotten in like one day from like my one video. I'm glad that you guys enjoyed it so much. Like we're almost at 50 subscribers, and like you don't even know like how that makes me feel, because 50 people when I was excited when I just got like 3 and like 18, but like 50, we're almost at 50, and all of them aren't my friends, like my close friends. So thank you guys so much. From that video I got a lot of feedback from my friends and from other people. So some of my friends are media students, and they were basically giving me tips on how to make the video better, how to make the audio better, because people keep complaining that I need to make the audio louder. So I was finally given a hack on how to make the audio more clear and make the audio better, and also how to zhuzh up my videos, which basically is like decor, have something rather than just like a plain background, which I had planned to do eventually, but we're just going to do now anyway because I have the opportunity to do it now. My mom is a hoarder, so like we have like a bunch of unnecessary stuff in the house that I'm able to use to like build the space that I'm going to build, that you guys are going to see. And after, when you see me like assemble it, I'll explain like where I got everything from. So cue time lapse.
What are you saying? Not the time or the place, baby, it's not right. It's not right, no. Going insane. Got a problem to fix, can we face it tonight? Face it tonight, oh. No way, though. Maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way, though. You never think it through. One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight.
It's done. We're finally done. So yeah, it's complete. So the thing is, now we're just going to talk about the things that I use. So you saw me struggling with the carpet. That carpet is actually, all of these things were things that were just around my house that I just had that were available to use. So my carpet used to be in the TV room. We just changed it out and everything. So I vacuumed it and laid it out so I could air out yesterday before I decided to put it in here. So you saw me struggling to put it down. The purpose of that is to absorb some of the sound that's bouncing around, because like I said, this is a very empty room. There's nothing in here to really absorb it. They're like 2 curtains, which isn't enough. I'm actually probably going to lay out some more throw pillows, because the regular pillows that we have for like the cushions and in the seatings, they're leather. We have leather couches, so that wouldn't help. So I'm gonna have to lay out some more throw pillows to kind of absorb the sound even more. But I really hope it sounds less like an echo in here now. So that's the carpet. It was bought from Quartz some many years back. Many years back. It's extremely soft, it's extremely fluffy, it's perfect for this. The table was bought from Singer, I think. Again, many years ago. And it's my table. Glass top and the wooden around it, the wood around it section. I love this table from before. The seats are leather and they're just placed there and you can sit down on them. The orchid is from in my bathroom. Had it forever, don't know where I got it from. Probably Shorts, my mom, who got it from somewhere. The candle that says love you was a gift from my mom. The 2 books were got bookshelf and have never been read, so might as well use for something. And the candle and the candle holder, the ones that were added in after, were stolen from my mom's living room coffee table. And this little glass thing, I don't know when she got. I came home from Cuba and this was just there on the table, and I thought it was really cute. So I added the little wooden sticks from like that were in my hair thing from way before. So I think it really came together very cute. It's all very sleek and all very nice. Especially if you saw it with like the carpet and the table and everything, it's just adorable. It's very cute. So I'm very proud of how this all came together. And then we just have the plain painted background. I don't think I'm gonna go out to get the colored paper to lay in the background. I could, but why? This is fine. Isn't it fine? Comment down below and tell me if it's fine. But yeah, guys, I think this is it. I really like this layout. I really like you guys seeing this sleep thing in the side here. Just right here in the side, and then I'm here, and then we'll just have like a decent conversation with like something that's appealing to the eyes. So if you guys like this, please like this video, leave a comment down below and tell me how else do you think this can be bettered. Something else, if you guys want an additional tip, I have one of my friends told me that to get the audio to be better, because that's something that they always complain about, they hate the audio from just like the camera and the microphone in the camera. If you have AirPods or you have earphones, just place them inside of your shirt. If you're a girl, you could just put them in your bra and face the recording section up, and it will collect all of the audio. The only thing that you have to do is just use the recording app on your phone to record it, and then when you're editing you can just sync them together, sync the video and the audio together, which I think is genius, and it's probably going to work out really well, and you guys will hear the difference in this video. I hope, really hope that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe to see more content that is coming out soon, and I am trying to be consistent. See, week 2, and we have a video out on time on the Friday. So yeah, guys, just subscribe for consistency, leave a comment down below. I always want to hear from you guys, and like this video and share it to help other new YouTubers who also would like to better their channel, learn how to do a simple thing as to develop a decor for their filming area. Anyways, bye guys, I hope to see you in the next video.